Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on using the stopwatch on Oppo Smart Watches. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe from left to right on the watch's home screen. Scroll down the options until you get to Stopwatch, then tap it to open it. Tap Start to start the stopwatch. You can tap Pause to pause the stopwatch, or tap Count to set a lap. You can go to the home screen and the stopwatch will continue counting. To stop the stopwatch, tap Pause, then tap Reset. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Oppo Watch tips and tricks.